Have you ever felt like you're just drowning in a sea of saved links? Well, today we're looking at a tool called Ribbonlinks, which just might be the digital lifeboat you've been looking for. So let me ask you something. Are your bookmarks less of a helpful library and more of a digital black hole? You know, that place where great articles and amazing websites just disappear, never to be seen again? Yeah, we've all been there. You find something awesome online, you save it real quick, maybe you even email it to yourself. And then, a week later, you find it and have absolutely no idea why you thought it was so important. It's this endless, frustrating loop, right? So how do you break that cycle? Well, like a lot of the best tools out there, this one was born directly out of that exact same frustration. And you can hear it straight from the app's creator. They weren't just trying to build another product. They were trying to solve a personal, really annoying problem that no other app was getting right. And that's really the heart of it, isn't it? The mission was super clear from day one. It wasn't about cramming in a million features. It was about creating one single, reliable place to save things with context, so you can actually find and use them later. So what does that look like in practice? Well, that mission led to a bunch of features that are designed to really help not just store links. Let's look at how they solve some of the biggest problems we all face. First up, that why on earth did I save this moment? The fix here is called linked notes. So instead of just saving a URL, you can jot down your thoughts, or pull out a key quote, or add a to-do right there with the link. It's all about saving that initial spark, that why.
And what about that graveyard of unread articles we all have? Ribbonlinks hits that with a super simple but really powerful feature, reminders. You can literally schedule a notification to ping you and say, hey, go read that thing you were excited about. It's about turning "I'll read it later" into action.
And for just the pure chaos of a messy, unorganized list, the app gives you a ton of control. You can group links into what they call ribbons. Think of them like smart collections. You can add tags so you can search for anything, and you can even just drag and drop your links to get the exact order you want. Okay, but this is where it gets really, really cool. Check this out. The graph view. This goes way beyond lists and folders. You just add your links in your notes to a collection, right? Then, with one tap, you open this graph view and boom, you can actually see how all your ideas and links connect to each other, like a mind map. It's like building your own personal web of knowledge. And of course, it nails all the basics you'd expect. You've got one-tap saving from any app, everything's available offline, it all syncs across your devices, and there's even a smart search powered by AI to help you find exactly what you're looking for. But honestly, beyond all the cool features, what makes Ribbonlinks feel different is how it's being made. This isn't just some top-down vision. It's being built right out in the open with its users. And what does that look like? Well, check out this number, 1,500. That's the number of new visitors the platform got, driven there by its own passionate community. That's what happens when people feel involved. They become your biggest advocates. And the heart of all this collaboration is the app's subreddit. It's a place where users aren't just customers, they're co-builders. They're in there suggesting features, pointing out bugs, and sharing all the wild ways they're using the tool. It's real feedback in action. And the results of that are just incredible. The community has come up with these amazing, creative ways to use the app that you might never expect, turning it into a hub for a virtual book club, a killer link in bio tool, or even a board for project inspiration. So, okay, we've seen how Ribbonlinks can organize your digital life. But what if this is about something bigger? What if this is a step towards building your own curated digital brain? You've probably heard this term, a personal knowledge management system, or PKMS. The simplest way to think about it is a second brain. It's a system for taking everything you learn and consume and organizing it so you can find it, connect it, and build on it later. It's the ultimate fix for that "I swear I saved this somewhere" problem. And that, right there, is the bigger vision for Ribbonlinks. It isn't trying to be just another bookmarking app. It's designed from the ground up to be a powerhouse for your personal knowledge system, to help you build that reliable second brain where your best ideas don't get lost, they get connected. And you don't have to take my word for it. Just listen to what this user had to say. He's talking about how community feeds, or people share their collections, have helped him discover so much new stuff. He says it's like having a team of expert researchers working for you. And you can tap into this system pretty much wherever you are. It's available on the web, on Android, and as a browser extension for both Chrome and Edge. So that kind of leaves us with one big question.
Our digital world is only getting bigger and more chaotic. The information is expanding like crazy. The question isn't if you need a system to organize it all, it's how are you going to do it?